Hello and welcome to Curry TV. I know you all are busy out there and we have our own culture in the house, right? One of them is having a Taco Tuesday. So do you know how simple it is to make a taco at home? Well, let me show you how it is done. Okay, let's take a look at all our ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. Okay, I have some nice lettuce all chopped up into fine, right? I have some lettuce. This is, as you can see, sour cream. I have a little bit of red chili powder, turmeric powder, and I'm using canned chicken breast, which is already cooked. I'm just going to flavor this to our desire. If you don't want to, you can just opt out of this section, but go along with it. If you want to jazz it up a bit, so you can use chipotle sauce, which is already ready to go, or the jalapenos or the pepperoncinis. Now for this, we are actually using soft tacos. If you prefer hard tacos, go for it, but all I had on my hand was soft taco. All you had to do is toast it on both sides and keep it in a casserole, which helps keep them very nice and soft. Okay, so this measurement or this ingredients, all this method is for up to 4 people. If you like to increase the quantity, go for it. Okay, and what else can you do to this recipe to jazz it a bit? You could add black beans. If you have rice, mixed vegetable rice, you could add that. If you have guacamole, you could add that. The tomatoes, onions, all this is up to you. So you're the one who's enjoying this taco. Nobody's making it for you. So if you prefer all those kind of ingredients, the floor is yours, babe. All right? Okay, so let's show you how to make our style chicken tacos. Okay, so I'm going to drain off the water from here, and I'm going to jazz it a bit with the spices. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder. I'll show you how that's done. For this, I'm going to be using a large skillet, and first and foremost, let's drain off our excess water in this can. So I am using 2 cans of chicken breast, which is already cooked. I'm just going to convert them to my style. All right, so if you're running short on time, definitely rely on these favors from stores, and these will last a long time too. So over to our stove. Okay, and into that, it will heat up really fast. This one is really to go. So I'm adding all our chicken breast into it. I'm using 2 cans here. As you can see, it's already warmed. You can hear that sizzle, right? So I'm just going to flavor this with a little bit of chili powder, just a half a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. And saute all this. We're bringing that chicken back to life, so we're just adding a little bit more flavor. At this stage, if you like to add onion or tomatoes, go for it. I'm just adding a little bit of spiciness. Okay, just a bit goes a long ways. You know, one other thing that you can add, cilantros. Perfect. Just rip it up and then add it to this. Smells great already. Okay, this is done. All good to go. I'm just going to convert this into one of the serving trays, and then I'll show you how I'm going to set it up. If you notice, I did not add any salt or anything else into this to jazz it up, because we are using, if they desire to, using pickled jalapenos. That already it's been in the brine, right? So that will add to the flavor. Especially everybody will have sour cream. I think that balances off well with this recipe. So that's why I did not add salt to this. But if you prefer, go for it. I am going to fix a taco. So take one of your tortillas, right? Add your base, which is your lettuce, and a little bit of sour cream. If you like more, you can add more. Okay, let's add in our chicken. Now if you like a little bit, surprise in between, just jazz it a little with chipotle sauce. I like mine a little bit more than that. I'm adding a couple of jalapenos in this. I think this is perfect. And then all you do is enjoy. Don't wait another minute. Try this out. Really, you will love it. So I just showed you how to make your own tacos, right? Here's a twist you can do. You could add cheese. You could add any flavor of cheese, all right? You could add black beans, or you could add mixed vegetable rice. I had some from leftover yesterday. I'm going to be making a taco with that. So let me show you how that's done. Take a taco, right? Add a little bit of lettuce. So this is your canvas. You can make any type of flavor that you want. So I'm just adding a bit of sour cream, a little bit of chicken on the side. Oh, it's just flaking off. Tell me that doesn't look so good. A little bit of rice on the side, right? Now if you want to jazz it up, this is the side. A little bit of chipotle sauce, right? At this stage, you should add your cheese, if you like. Okay, a bit of jalapenos running through. And then, my friend, all you do is just grab it and oh my God, all the flavors are just bursting out. Whoo! I love it. To love this recipe and many more, stay tuned to Creative TV. See you. Bye.